Hello friends, myself Hina Desai from Aswamik Vidyalaya. Today we solve the MCQ question to practice of our board question paper. In part A, you have to 50 marks MCQ question. So today we start solving MCQ chapter wise. Today we solve chapter first, the last lesson MCQ with answer. First question. First question. Friends look for opportunities to skip school to do what? Option A, work on mill, go. Option B, fishing. Option C, water the plants. Option D, collect birds egg. तो फ्रेंड्स क्यों बाहर जाता था? तो कलेक्ट बर्ड्स एग. ऑप्शन डी इज योर आंसर कि collect birds egg. Now second question. What was Franz banking on to enter the class as he was late? Option A, M. Hamels teaching on the blackboard. Option B, commotion in the class. Option C, Husher helping him sneak in. And option D, to quick walk in when everyone was preoccupied with participle. Answer B. Option B is your answer. Commotion in the class. Now question number 3. M. Hamel is introduced as ruler wielding teacher. This demonstrates that he is concerned, he is adamant, he is unfeeling, he is a hard taskmaster. Option D is your answer. He is hard taskmaster. Question number 4. Friends thinks, will they make them sing in German, even the pigeon? What could this mean? Option A, German would use brutal force over everyone. Option B, harsh order will be passed. Option C, when people are deprived of their essence, even the surroundings are affected. And option D, the German will rob France of its language. Answer C. Option C is your answer. When people are deprived of their essence, even the surroundings are affected. Question number 5. What does M. Hamel's motionless posture reflect? Option A, the school is dismissed, sense of finality, changing order of life, feeling of nostalgia. Option B, sense of finality. Question number 6. What is the moral of the Alphonse Daudet want to bring out? Option A, not to put up things that one can do that day. Option B, old order change to new. Option C, one should accept everything that happens. Option D, teacher should be respected. Your answer is option A, not to put up things that one can do that day. Question number 7. Why did Hamel blame himself? Option A, not having taught them enough French, not being strict, giving student holiday at time, not being responsible. Answers. Option C, giving student holiday at times. When MML go for fishing, at the time he gave holiday to school's children. So that's why MML blame to himself. And blame to parents for why? Because parents sending their children to farm or mill to work for earn more money. Question number 8. Who sat on the back benches on the last lesson? Friends, Persians, the village people, the new teacher. Who's sitting on the last bench on that day? The village people. Answer. Option C is your answer. Question number 9. What was M. Hamel going to question friends about? Participles, adjective, all primer, ba, be, bi, bo, bu. Participles. Option A is your answer. Question number 10. For the last 2 years, where did all the bad news come from? The bulletin board, town hall, school, M. Hamel's house. Where? The bulletin board. For last 2 years, all bad news come from the bulletin board. It's most IMP question. And question number 9. What was M. Hamel going to question friends about? This participle. And these both are very important question. Question number 11. Don't go so fast, you will get to your school in plenty of time means. In plenty of time means option A getting late, option B very early, option C not early, and option D early enough. Option D early enough is your answer. And this question asks in another way also. Don't go so fast, you will get to your school in plenty of time. Who said this sentence? Who said? Blacksmith watcher said. And to whom he said? To friends. When friends walk fast, go to hurried for school at that time, blacksmith watcher says, don't go so fast, bub, you will get to your school plenty of times. Question number 12. What did Mr. Hamel bring for his class on his last day in the school? New pens, new notebooks, sweets, storybooks. What did he take? He take with him new notebooks. Option B is your answer. And on that day, Old Herschel bring which book? That all primer book. Old Herschel bring all primer book, and M. Hamel bring new notebook. Question number 13. What was Franz expected to be prepared for at school that day? Song, dance, essay writing, participles. Answer. Option D is your answer, participles. What was Franz expected to be prepared for at school that day? So participle. Why? Because on that day M. Hamel going to take test on participles. So ये क्वेश्चन तो आएगा ही कंपलसरी है, मुझे लगता है कि आएगा ही पार्टिसिपल्स वाला. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 14. Why did the villagers come to meet M. Hamel in the school? To complain, to say goodbye, to gossip, to show gratitude. Option D, to show gratitude is your answer. Question number 15. Why was Franz surprised? Because of village elders, because of police patrolling, because of student behavior, because of M. Hamel's kind and polite behavior. On that day, Franz was surprised too because of M. Hammel's kind and polite behavior. And one another thing also, Franz surprised. Why? Because that all village peoples come and sat on the last bench. Every day last bench was empty, but on that day his class last bench was full. So see that Franz also surprised. Question number 16. What did Franz find on reaching the school? People were dancing, school was closed, police patrolling, strange quietness. Option D is your answer, strange quietness. क्यों उस दिन जो क्यों पूरा स्ट्रेंज क्वाइटनेस था? बिकॉज on that day M. Hamel was going to give them last lesson, because order come from Berlin to teach only German in Lawrence and Alsace. So that last day, that's why all atmosphere looking strange quietness. Question number 17. The story The Last Lesson highlight which human tendency? Male chauvinism, procrastination, courage, cowardice. Answer option B is your answer, procrastination. Question number 18. Who is the author of The Last Lesson? Alphonse Daudet. Okay. Now, chapter number 2. Lost Spring. Question answer. Question number 1. Mukesh want to learn to become motor mechanic by finding a tutor, going to garage to learn, by reading book, by joining school. Option B is your answer, to going to garage to learn. Question number 2. What bothers the author most about the Bangles maker? Option A, the stigma of poverty and caste. Option B, the affluence of the landlords. Option C, the behavior of the factory owners. Option D, the labor law. Option A is your answer, the stigma of poverty and caste. Question number 3. One wonder if he was achieved what may have failed to achieve in their lifetime. He has a roof over his head. This line was said in reference to the condition of option A, the elderly woman's old husband, Mukesh's father, the Bengal factory owner, and Mukesh's elder brother. ऑप्शन ए इज़ योर आंसर, द एल्डरली वुमन्स ओल्ड हस्बैंड, कि जो मुकेश की जो ग्रैंड मदर है, और जो मुकेश के हाउस के यहाँ जो एक ओल्ड वुमन है वो उसके हस्बैंड के लिए ये सेंटेंस कहती है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. विच ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट्स बिलो बेस्ट सर्व्स एज अ सिंबल ऑफ एन इंडियन वुमन्स सुहाग? बिंदी, सिंदूर, बैंगल्स, हीना, डेड हैंड. बैंगल्स. ऑप्शन सी इज योर आंसर, बैंगल्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. सनी गोल्ड, पैडी ग्रीन, रॉयल ब्लू, पिंक, पर्पल, एवरी कलर born out of the 7 colors of the rainbow. What is this reference to? Clothes, birds, bangles, bindis. This reference for bangles. So answer C, option C is your answer. Question number 6. What was the profession of Mukesh's father before he became a Bengal maker? Tailor, carpenter, plumber, mason, tailor. Question number 7. The frail woman in Mukesh's house is his mother's elder brother's wife नेसिस, एल्डर ब्रदर्स वाइफ कि मुकेश के घर में जो लेडी थी वो कौन थी? मुकेश की एल्डर ब्रदर की वाइफ थी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. If law were to be enforced, it would bring about change and relief in the lives of about 10,000 children, 20,000 children, 100 children, 1,000 children. Option B is your answer, 20,000 children. It's most IMP आएगा एग्जाम में। क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. Bengal industry flourishes in the town of Firozpur, Firozabad, Firozgarh, Farrukhabad. Option B is your answer, Firozabad. Bengal industry flourish in the town of Firozabad. Question number 10. Mukesh belonged to family of farmer, rag picker, Bengal makers, motor mechanic. Bengal makers. Answer is option C, Bengal makers. Question number 11. One day Sahib was seen by the other watching some young men playing cricket, tennis, hockey, soccer. So option B is your answer, tennis. Question number 12. According to the author, rag picking has become over the years a option A, profession, option B, fine art, option C, tradition, option D, culture. Option B, fine art for them. Question number 13. The rag pickers have no identity but they have permit, passport, ration card, license. Option C is your answer, option A is your answer, permits. Question number 14. The colony of rag pickers is situated in option A, the south of Delhi, Mangalpuri, Jahangirpuri, Simapuri. Option D is your answer, Simapuri. Question number 15. What did the man from UDP pray for when he was young? Option A, pair of trousers, pair of shoes, a few friends, and opportunity to study in school. Option B is answer, a pair of shoes. कि जो ऑथर है हमारी ऑथर उसने देखा था कि वन बॉय प्रे फॉर पेयर ऑफ शूज. Question number 16. On explanation which the author gets about children choosing to remain barefoot is they have no money. Option B, tradition. Option C, no matching pair. Option D, like to wear only chappals. So option B is your answer, tradition. कि why should they choose barefoot? Because they think it is tradition. Having no wearing no shoes or chappal is that tradition. That's why they not wearing shoes or chappal. Question number 17. Is your school ready? Who asked this question? Sahib's mother, Sahib's friend, the author, Sahib. Option D is your answer, Sahib. Sahib asked our authors Anis Jung to question, is your school ready? क्योंकि उसने कहा था कि जब मैं स्कूल बनाऊंगी तो क्या आप वहाँ आओगे? तो थोड़े दिन के बाद जो साहिब उसे मिलते हैं तो साहिब उसे क्वेश्चन करते हैं कि आपका स्कूल रेडी हो गया? और वो सुनते हैं जो ऑथर वो बहुत बैड फील करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 18, व्हाट वर साहेब एंड हिज फैमिली लुकिंग फॉर इन दिल्ली? डॉलर्स, रुपीस, पाउंड्स, गोल्ड। ऑप्शन डी इज योर आंसर, गोल्ड। क्वेश्चन नंबर 19, साहेब्स होम बिफोर दिल्ली was in बंगाल, ओडिशा, ढाका, बिहार। ऑप्शन सी इज़ योर आंसर, ढाका। ये साहेब का जो घर है वो दिल्ली के पहले कहाँ था? तो जो ढाका है वहाँ पे था। वहाँ से वो लोग क्यों आए? क्योंकि वहाँ जो फ्लड है कि जो तेज हवा और तूफ़ान की वजह से उसके जो खेत खलियान हैं वो हर साल ख़राब हो जाते, इसीलिए वो ढाका छोड़ के दिल्ली में शिफ्ट हो गए थे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 20, वाई डू यू डू दिस? दिस क्वेश्चन वॉज आस्क्ड बाय द ऑथर टू द बेंगल सेलर, महेश, साहेब और साहेब्स मदर। आंसर सी इज योर आंसर, साहेब। क्वेश्चन नंबर 21, व्हाट इज मुकेश ड्रीम? To be a doctor, to be a merchant, to be a rug, to be a motor mechanic. Option D is your answer, to be a motor mechanic. ये क्वेश्चन इम्पोर्टेंट है, एग्जाम में आएगा ही। क्वेश्चन नंबर 22, व्हाट इज द मीन्स ऑफ सर्वाइवल इन सीमापुरी? ऑप्शन ए वर्क, ऑप्शन बी मर्चेंडाइजिंग, ऑप्शन सी एजुकेशन, ऑप्शन डी रैक पिकिंग। तो ऑप्शन डी इज़ योर आंसर, रैक पिकिंग। रैक पिकिंग इज़ द मीन्स ऑफ सर्वाइवल इन सीमापुरी। सीमापुरी के लोग हैं, उसे सर्वाइवल करने के लिए रैक पिकिंग ही करनी पड़ती थी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 23, Firozabad is the center of which industry? Cotton industry, furniture industry, textile industry. Option D glass blowing industry. तो ऑप्शन डी इज़ योर आंसर, ग्लास ब्लोइंग इंडस्ट्री। फिरोज़ाबाद इज़ द सेंटर ऑफ ग्लास ब्लोइंग इंडस्ट्री, या फिर बैंगल्स मेकिंग also. Question number 24, what complete the workers in Bengal industry of Firozabad to poverty? Option A caste and ancestral profession, option B karma theory and society, option C bureaucrats and politicians, ऑप्शन डी ऑल ऑफ द अबो। तो आंसर इज ऑल ऑफ द अबो, ऑप्शन डी इज योर आंसर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 25, हु इज मुकेश? ऑप्शन ए स्टूडेंट, ऑप्शन बी वर्कर, ऑप्शन सी बेंगल मेकर, ऑप्शन डी रैक पिकर। तो आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी बेंगल मेकर। मुकेश इज बेंगल मेकर एंड रैक पिकर। मुकेश की जगह साहिब होता, हु इज साहिब, तो साहिब होते मुकेश की जगह, तो आंसर होता डी रैक पिकर। उसमें कंफ्यूज मत होना, मुकेश इज अ बेंगल मेकर एंड साहिब इज अ रैक पिकर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 26, what makes the working condition of the children worst in the glass industry? Dark Digny cells without light and air, B dazzling and sparking of welding light, option C high temperature, option D all of this. So all of this answer is the option D is your answer, all of this working condition of the children worst in glass industry. Question number 27, who employs the local families of Firozabad? Bureaucrat, merchant, politicians, Option D, the glass blowing industry. Option D is your answer, the glass blowing industry. Question number 28. What efforts can help Mukesh materialize his dream of becoming a car driver? Hard work, going to garage, guidance of his owner, all this. All this is your answer. Question number 29. Why did Sahib leave Dhaka? Because of lack of resources, because of lack of enough food, because of friend, because of parent. So because of lack of enough food. Option B is your answer. Question number 30. What forced Sahib to be rag picker? Hard work, destiny, people around him, acute poverty. Option D, acute poverty is your answer. Question number 31. Why did Sahib go through garbage dump? To find silver coin, a rupee, a 10 rupee note, all of this. The answer is all of this. Sahib threw garbage dump because to find silver coin, a rupee, 10 rupees note, and all these things. Question number 32. What does the title Lost Spring symbolize? Lost blooming childhood, autumn season, lost money, lost age. Option A is your answer, lost blooming childhood. Question number 33. What do the boys appear like to the author in the story? Morning crows, evening crows, morning bird, evening bird. Option C is your answer, morning birds. Okay. Rag picker's child appears in the morning like morning birds. They appear in the morning and in afternoon they go away. Question number 34. Where was Sahib employed? At tea stall in Simapuri, at a sari shop, at a jewellery shop, at a sweat shop. Option A is your answer, at the tea stall in Simapuri. कि साहेब जो सीमापुरी में टी स्टॉल पे 800 रुपीज़ पर मंथ सैलरी पे उसने जॉब ज्वाइन किया था. Question number 35. Why did Sahib A. Alam not go to school? Option A, not interested. Option B, had no money to pay fee. Option C, wants to go for movie. Option D, wants to earn money. Option B, had no money टू पे फीस. कि उसके जो साहिब है उसके यहाँ इतनी पोवर्टी थी, वो इतनी पुअर फैमिली से बिलोंग्स करते थे कि उसके पास स्कूल में पे करने के फ़ी पे करने के लिए मनी नहीं थी. सो ही डिड नॉट गो टू स्कूल. क्वेश्चन नंबर 36. व्हाट वाज साहेब लुकिंग फॉर? एक्स, गोल्ड, कॉइन, टॉयस. तो ऑप्शन बी इज योर आंसर, गोल्ड. क्वेश्चन नंबर 37. अकॉर्डिंग टू द ऑथर, व्हाट वाज ग्रैबेज फॉर द चिल्ड्रन? ऑप्शन ए, मीन्स ऑफ एंटरटेनमेंट. ऑप्शन बी, मीन्स ऑफ टाइम पास. ऑप्शन सी, मीन्स ऑफ प्लेइंग. ऑप्शन डी, अ वंडर. ऑप्शन डी इज आंसर, अ वंडर. According to the author, wonder was garbage for the children and for the parents' survival. 38. What forces the children to live a life of exploitation? Option A, greed. Option B, extreme poverty. Option C, peers. Option D, parents. Your answer is option B, extreme poverty. Force the children to live a life of exploitation. ये IMP क्वेश्चन है. 38. क्वेश्चन नंबर 39. What does the author analyze in the story? Rich people, grabbage, poor children and their exploitation, and option D, her works. Option C is your answer, poor children and their exploitation. Author analyze in the story. Question number 40. Who is the author of Lost Spring? Answer, option D is your answer, Annis Jung. Option A, James Bond. Option B, Arundhati Roy. Option C, Sudha Murthy. And option D, Annis Jung. Annis Jung is author of Lost Spring. Question number 41. What change did Annis Jung see in Saheb when she saw him standing by the gate of the neighborhood club? Option A, as if lost his freedom, lost ownership, lost joy, all of this. Answer is option D, all of this. कि when Annis Jung see Saheb, Saheb was standing in front of gate of the neighbor club. At that time, he noticed that he lost his freedom, Saheb lost his ownership, lost his joy. Question number 42. What is the metaphorical symbol of Simhapuri in the lesson? Poverty, explanation, enjoyment, a little hell. Option D is your answer, a little hell. Question number 43. How is Mukesh's attitude different from that of his family? Being daring, firm and clear, being fighter, being coward, not clear. So Mukesh's attitude, being daring, firm and clear. Option A is your answer. It's most important question. Question number 43. Question number 44. The city of Firozabad is famous for what? For casteism, rag pickers, poverty, Bengals. For what? Option D is your answer, for Bengals. The city of Firozabad is famous for Bengals. Question number 45. What are the reasons for the migration of people from village to city in the lesson? Option A, sweeping of house and field by storms, no money, education and unemployment, safety. Answer A, option A is your answer, sweeping of houses and field by storm. So that's why they leave their village and come and stay in city. So here we stop. Thank you very much. We see chapter 3, 4, 5 in our next video lecture.